Hobby X was epic. Guys, I didn't know what to expect, but my mind was blown, and the hobbies that people have and everything that was there, so cool. I had such a great time. So let's go back in time and let me show you how epic it really was. Hi everyone, we're at Hobby X and I'm super excited. It's a bit dreary today, but that's not going to put a dampener on this day for me. So let's go inside and see what they've got. Crochet, knitting, sewing, embroidery, cooking, baking, 3D printing, woodwork, anime, otaku, racing, sports, Formula One, trains, Lego. Guys, they had it all. Like everything I could think of. I was so blown away, guys. I just couldn't stop looking at everything, and there was just so much to see, so many stalls to go and have a look at, and it was just really, really wonderful. Of course, what was the first thing I did? I went yarn hunting. And guys, was I pleasantly surprised. After I found the yarn and went nuts over it, I found some very interesting stalls that I feel need some love. But before that, please let me know down in the comments, guys. Did you go to Hobby X? What did you go to Hobby X for? What is your hobby? Please, I would love to know. Let's start a chat about our hobbies. So, on to these memorable stalls. Now, Spoonkie was really, really fun, and this was something that I participated in. So basically what it is these capsule machines for otakus. I had a look at all of the little options in these capsule machines, and I chose, of course, the Hello Kitty themed kittens because my daughter is a huge fan, and I really, really, really wanted to try and get her a little kitty that had the cinnamon roll doggy with it. So I had a little bit of trouble figuring out where exactly the coin went once I paid for it. But I managed to get it right. And then once I got my little capsule, I opened it. And guys, I was super, super excited because I got the little figurine that I wanted. I got the kitty that had cinnamon roll. And I cannot tell you how excited my daughter was when I brought it home. She wouldn't even let me consider keeping it for myself. She's like, "Mommy, can I have it, please?" And of course, I had to say yes. Now, the next stall that I found absolutely breathtaking was the Turkish mosaic lamps stall. These lovely ladies designed all of these lamps by themselves. They do have workshops over the weekends. They have morning classes and afternoon classes. They also had kits available that had all the instructions and everything you needed to make your own. I completely recommend these lovely Turkish mosaic lamps, guys. So if you're interested, look them up. I think it would be totally worth it. I would totally make one if I didn't have two little kids running around in my house. Tuf Jozi. These lovely people make custom rugs, and they have their kits available so you can go and make your own rug at home with all the instructions, all the how-to-dos. So it's totally beginner friendly. They also cater for punch needle. Now, for those who don't know what punch needle is, please forgive me if I'm not very accurate with this. It's basically embroidery with yarn. So if you do punch needle, please let me know. So anyway, guys, I think these guys at Tuf Jozi make really, really awesome little rugs, and I think it would be really, really cute to try this out. It definitely caught my eye. Before we carry on, guys, I would very much appreciate it if you would like and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. Now let's get on to the next very interesting stall that I found. And they would be Slayer energy drinks. Now guys, I was very happy to have found this stall because my husband likes his energy drinks. And the best part about this stall for me is that each of their energy drinks is sugar free, guys, because my husband has decided to go the sugar-free route, so that was an absolute bonus. And what I love about their energy drinks is they have so many unique flavors, and the most important thing for me is the fact that each can has a design that was designed by local artists, guys. And that for me is super awesome. Like, I love that. Each can's art is 100% unique. So guys, just in case you were wondering, the links for all of these stalls that I've been talking about will be down in my description. So if you're interested, please go and have a look, click that link and go and check these people out. And then guys, the last but for me most amazing stall that I found at HobbyX this year was the 67 blankets stall. This is literally a movement, guys, based on the concept of 67 minutes for Nelson Mandela Day, where you give 67 minutes of your day to someone else, to the community, to someone in need. And this came about when the founder of 67 Blankets was challenged to make 67 blankets for Nelson Mandela Day. Knitters and crocheters from all around knit blankets and scarves for the people less fortunate, and I found that absolutely amazing. So guys, they have ambassadors, they have people you can contact if you feel like crocheting or knitting a blanket or a scarf for someone in need. It's going to be chilly this winter, guys. Why not make someone's day? Why not keep someone warm this winter? Just a thought. So guys, I was really moved by this, and I would really, really love to join. Who knows? Maybe I still will. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you find it inspiring. I hope I'll see you at HobbyX next year, because I'm totally going again. And I'll see you in the next one.